Good morning, student. Welcome to Nanda classes. Today we are discuss class 9 chemistry chapter 4 structure of the atoms. It is the most important chapter of class 9 science. I hope all of you watch till the end of this video because most of the questions will come from exam. Okay. So structure of the atom is the first part of this chapter. So now we are discussing about what is atoms and how the structure of atoms, and inside the atoms what are the subatomic particles are present. Mainly in the Dalton's atomic theory, the Dalton had proposed that the atoms is the indivisible particles and the atom is the very smallest particle of the matters. Every object are made up of atoms. All the things which are present in our surrounding also are made up of atoms, and the atoms, inside the atoms some charged particles are present, okay, or the charged particles in the matters. Okay, the today first topic is the charged particles in matter. The charged particle in matter. What are the charged particles present in matter? Inside the atoms are present some charged particles. Yes or no? In our mind, our questions arises. Inside the atoms are some charged particles are present. After the many experiment, the Dalton's atomic theory are rejected, and many scientists they are given, okay, about the structure of the atoms. So in the year 1900, in the year 1900, a scientist that is named as J.J. Thomson. What are J.J. Thomson? Thomson. Thomson discover and charged particles. This one are named as what are electron. ELECTRON, electrons, and the electrons is the what are negatively charged particles. What are the electrons is the negatively charged particle, and the electron are discovered in cathode rays experiment. What are this one discovered? Cathode rays experiment. Okay, what are cathode rays experiment details we have to study. Okay, so the matters are charged particles. Then we have to rub two objects. That time also we in our palm we are rub. Then we are feel hot. Yes or no? Why? Because that time rubbing as charges are created in the surface of our hand or finger. That's why we feel water हॉट. ओके, जैसे कि हम लोग को बहुत सारा ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट है जो कि फिजिक्स में हम लोग पढ़े हैं. ओके, टू ऑब्जेक्ट को हम रब करेंगे तो उसमें क्या होता है? चार्ज पार्टिकल क्रिएट होता है. ओके, बहुत सारे साइंटिस्ट ऐसे हैं जिसके बारे में बता चुके हैं अभी इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के बारे में उसका डिस्कवरी. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द पार्टिकल्स व्हिच कैरीज एन इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज नोन एज व्हाट आर चार्ज पार्टिकल्स. व्हाट आर चार्ज पार्टिकल्स. ओके, चार्ज पार्टिकल किसको बोलेंगे? जिसमें कोई इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज होगा. ओके, ऐसे दो सबएटॉमिक पार्टिकल्स है जिसका नाम है फर्स्ट है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, जिसमें कि नेगेटिवली चार्ज प्रेजेंट है, और एक है प्रोटॉन जिसमें पॉजिटिवली चार्ज particles present here. These two are the charged particles which are present inside the atom. So the electrons are discovered by J.J. Thomson, and the proton was discovered by E. Goldstein. What are a scientist name or what are E. Goldstein? Okay, in the year 1886. Okay, the protons earlier discovered, then electron are discovered. Okay. So the proton are discovered by in anode rays experiment. What are ANOD? Anode rays experiment. Okay, this short type question will come. Okay, the discovery of electrons and protons. So one more question will come. What is subatomic particle? Then what are you write? And anyone can ask you what are subatomic particles. So the particles which are present inside the atoms. What are the particles which are made up of atoms is known as what are subatomic particles. SUB subatomic subatomic particles. Okay, so what are subatomic particles? The particles which are present inside the atoms are known as subatomic particles. The example of subatomic particle, that is electron, proton, and the third are the neutron. Okay, these three are the subatomic particles which are present inside the atoms. Electron is the what are negatively charged, proton is the positively charged, and neutron is the no charge, it is neutral. Okay, and neutron are no charge, its charge are the 0. Okay, so due to this reason, the atom is wholly electrically neutral. Okay, is the most important question will come in also in exam. Why the atom is and wholly electrically neutral? Because the atoms or inside the atoms the same number of positive charge, that is protons, and the same number of negative charge, that is electrons, are present. That's why the atoms are electrically neutral. Suppose एक atoms of सोडियम. ओके, सोडियम के एटम है, उसमें क्या है 11 प्रोटॉन है और 11 न्यूट्रॉन सॉरी इलेक्ट्रॉन भी है. 11 प्रोटॉन और 11 इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो प्रोटॉन आर द पॉजिटिव चार्ज +1 and electron are the negative charge, it is -1. So +11 -11 cancel and neutron are no charge. That's why the every atoms have the neutral charge. Is the most important concept. I hope all of you will understand this one. So next we are discuss about the electrons, protons and neutrons, because it's the most important. In your higher class also we have to details study about the electrons, protons and neutron in class 11 are there also. So about electrons, we will start now. About electrons. Electrons के बारे में अभी कुछ डिस्कस करेंगे. Okay, so electrons are discovered in 1900 by J. Thomson. By J. Thomson, and the electron were discovered in cathode rays experiment. Discovered in cathode rays experiment. वाटर कैथोड रेस एक्सपेरिमेंट, ये क्या होता है? कैथोड रेस एक्सपेरिमेंट ये ग्लास डिस्ट्रक्ट ट्यूब है, इसमें एक एनोड और कैथोड दो टर्मिनल है. ओके, सो इसमें इलेक्ट्रॉन जो पास हो रहा है फ्रॉम एनोड टू कैथोड. ओके, सो उसका जो डायग्रामेटिकली वी आर डिस्कस करेंगे नेक्स्ट पार्ट में, इसका डिस्कवरी जो है इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और प्रोटॉन्स का. सो नाउ ओनली जस्ट आइडिया अबाउट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. ओके, सो next the charge of an electrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles, that's why their charges are also negative. So the charge of an electron is -1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Coulomb is their unit of charge. And the mass of the electron is equal to 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31, 9.11 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. It is the mass of an electrons, and the radius of the electron are very small in size, that is 10 to the power minus 15 centimeter. Radius 10 to the power minus 15 centimeter. It is some idea about what are electrons. And the charge on 1 mole of an electron is equal to 1 farad. 1 farad means 96500 what are coulomb. Next, about proton. Okay, proton is the what are positively charged particles, and this one are discovered in the year 1886. In the year 1886 by E. Goldstein. By E. Goldstein. Okay, the proton was discovered by E. Goldstein in anode rays experiment. Where? In anode rays experiment. Anode rays experiment, or in anode ray discharge tube. The charge of proton is 1 plus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Because the proton is a positive, that's why the charge are also positive. And the mass of the proton are 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Okay. This is the mass of proton, 1.672 into 10 to the power minus 10 to the power minus 27 kg. This is the mass of proton. Next, about neutron. Neutrons are discovered by Chadwick, J. Chadwick, in the year 1932. Okay, in the year 1932, J. Chadwick discovered. Okay, and the neutrons are the no charge. It is a neutral subatomic particles